Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Mahfud Zaki Maulana. My name is 172500302. I will give my opinion about the new President of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto. Okay, without further ado, let's get on to my opinion. I welcome President Prabowo's focus on national resilience and economic stability as an effort to address long-standing structural challenges. I appreciated the government emphasis on the self-sufficiency and energy independence, positioned as key pillars of this national strategy on the international stage. I understand the urgency of policies to direct natural resource revenues to domestic development, to strengthen fiscal capacity and public service. I support efforts to strengthen economic actors of the grassroots level, including debt relief for small business and the establishment of village cooperatives to expand ownership and opportunities. However, I also emphasize the importance of implementation, monitoring, transparent reporting, and inclusive consultation to ensure this ambitious target truly deliver tangible benefit of the community. That's all from me regarding Mr. Prabowo Subianto opinion. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya akan membawakan English presentation simple present tense. Definition of simple present tense. The simple present tense is a tense in English used to express habits, general or scientific facts and situations that are permanent or long term. Next. Introduction to simple present tense. A basic introduction to simple present tense, which is the simple present tense in English, used to express facts, habits, or general truths. Example, I live in Tegal. Forming sentences in the simple present tense. How to form sentence in the simple present tense, including the basic structure, subject plus verb, past form plus object, with variation for affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms. Example, she reads a book every night. Affirmative statement in the simple present tense. Positive sentence in the simple present tense where the verb is used in its best form. Example, we play football on weekends. Another example, he likes coffee. Negative sentence using simple present tense. Negative sentences in the simple present tense are formed by adding do not, don't, or does not, doesn't before the best verb. Example, I don't eat spicy food. Another example, she doesn't watch TV. Question in the simple present tense. For from question in the simple present tense by using do or does at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the subject and this best verb for yes or no question or was question. Example, do you like pizza? Another example, what does he do? Use of the simple present tense for habit and routines. Example, present tense to express daily habits or routines, so such as I eat breakfast every morning. Example, I brush my teeth twice a day. Simple present tense for fact and general truths. The simple present tense is used for scientific facts or general truths. The don't change such as the sun rise in the east. Example, water boils at those degrees Celsius. Another example, birds fly in the sky. Third person singular ruler in the simple present. Special rules apply to third person singular subject. Example, it rains every afternoon. Another example, the baby cries when hungry. Common verbs in simple present tense. A list of common verbs frequently used in the simple present tense, including irregular verbs like be and everyday verbs like eat, go, and play. Example, I am a student. Another example, we go to school by bus. Adverb of frequency with simple present. Adverbs of frequency are often paired with the simple present tense to indicate how often a habit occurs. Example, she always arrives on time. Another example, I sometimes forget my keys. Simple present versus present continuous. A comparison between the simple present for regular habits and the present continuous for ongoing action. Example, I eat rich every day. Another example, I am eating rich now. Time expression in simple present tense. Time expression commonly used with the simple present. Example, he exercises every morning. Exercise. Another example, we meet on Fridays. Common mistake in the simple present tense. Common mistakes when using the simple present tense, including forgetting to add to the third person singular or mixing it up with other tenses. Example, he goes to school. The correct sentence is he goes to school. Real life examples of the simple present. Example of using the simple present in real life. Example, the train left at 8 a.m. Another example, doctors help sick people. Simple present in storytelling. The simple present tense is used in stories of narrative. Example, in the story, Circle lived with his sister. Advanced usage of the simple present tense. Advanced usage of the simple present tense include future schedule, conditional sentence, and new headlines. Example, the meeting starts at 10 tomorrow. Another example, if it rains, we stay home. Review and summary of the simple present tense. A comparison summary and review of the simple present tense, including key points, study tips, and reminders of important rules. Example: remember, we use the simple present tense for habits, like I drink tea daily. Another example: facts: Earth orbit the stone. Thank you for listening me.